Good evening, Black Wrench here. Once again, Friday night, not going to the bars. You all are invited here. Now, many of you that have been here, you know who you are. You're not an angel. You're no angels. Most of your metalheads, goth kids, rivethead, bikers, metalhead friends especially, this drink is for you. Now, maybe Ghost is your thing, Behemoth, Watain, Hanson Brothers, you know, that kind of music. I don't know, maybe you're a member of COS and you have a red card. I'm not saying you all are deadly, but if the hoof fits, wear it. So tonight's drink is called Satan's Whisker. Forgive me, thankful homemaker. Sorry, Marcy. But it's kind of a cool drink. It's got a lot of stuff in it. It's gin based, so we're going to use a New Amsterdam gin. It's pretty affordable. It rivals Tanqueray, nice and clean and crisp. We got a 1 ounce of that. We've got a ½ ounce of Dolan dry vermouth, great for martinis. My favorite Gallo for Manhattans. It's a sweet vermouth. And we've got this orange Cucaracha. You could use the Grand Marnier. I used to think it was called Grand Mariner, but that's just Youngstown in me. We take the orange Cucaracha instead, and we're going to use grapefruit juice tonight instead of orange juice. Why? Because the frickin' Rona's going on out there. I'm not going to the store to buy oranges. And a dash of orange bitters. So what we do is we mix all this together in a shaker. Got our grapefruit juice, our orange Cucaracha, our sweet vermouth, our dry vermouth, and our gin with just a dash of orange bitters. And then we shake it vigorously. And then we pour it into a cocktail glass. And there you go. So, we all know that Jesus saves, but does Satan shave? Nema.